8, ano pa lang, 8:10. Si Kuya at Jan ako ang gising. Kasi yung dalawa tulog pa. 8:25 na si Kuya, nagre-ready na siya for golf comp. Supposed to be dapat Sunday to. Kaso nga, na-cancel. Kasi yung laro niya na-injured. So, na-move siya ng Tuesday. And Tuesday ngayon, wala silang pasok. Nabanggit ko na yun sa inyo. And kagabi si Jan, pumunta siya dun sa friend niya kasi kinuha niya yung yung sample for the netball uniform. So, pinasukat na kagabi kay Holly yung pang-training niya at saka yung pang-game. So, sa pang-game niya na uniform size 6 siya, tapos sa training size 8. So, singlet yung pang-game, tapos t-shirt yung pang-training. And also today is my solo dance si Holly. So, ita-drop off ko siya doon ng 3:15, 3:20 kasi 3:30 yung kanyang solo dance. And right after, kailangan namin makabalik papunta ng Bay kasi meron siyang footy training. Ang original na ni Holly, nung kagrupo niya na trainings for, not footy, netball is every Thursday. Kaso nag-conflict kay Holly yung schedule. So, ipapatrain siya sa mga hindi niya kaidaran kasi same lang naman ang rules. So, doon siya magti-train para may idea siya kung ano yung rules sa netball. Then, sa laro na yung game talaga, doon sa mga kaidaran niya. So, every Tuesday ang training niya kasi yung mga kaidaran niya every Thursday. So, hindi na pwede si Holly doon kasi nga, hindi siya aabot. So, yun yung yung parang nag-work kay Holly. Yes, busy si Holly. So, may 5 dance siya every week. Kasi Monday may 2 siyang dance, di ba? Tapos Tuesday may solo siya. Thursday meron siyang 2 dance ulit. Then every Tuesday, yun nga, solo and netball. So, 6 ang activities niya sa isang linggo. Ako, ang gagawin ko ay maglalaba, maglilinis ng bahay. Si Kuya nagre-ready na. Naririnig ko na si Kuya. So, yeah, good luck, Kuya. Kagabi pala, grabe yung thunders and isa sa mga, grabe yung dalugdog. Tapos kidlat. Blinag ko nga yun. Tingnan ko kung saan ko ma-insert dito or yung kagabi. Yan si Kuya. Hintayin natin si Kuya lumabas. Magbabacuum at saka magdadas lang naman ako kasi wala tayo dito for how many days. And laba. Yun. Laba talaga. Yun. Madami tayong labahan. And buti na lang nalabanan ni Auntie Mel yung uniform na suot nila. Ang lalaban ko na lang yung pang-PE at saka yung kay Holly. At saka yung ibang mga damit. At saka yung dala namin sa Adelaide. Sana si Kuya. Good luck, Kuya. You look nice. Say good morning. Good morning, Gapo. I like that white one. Where's your orange? But I like that one.
I like the orange.
Yeah, he loves the orange one.
I don't know where it is.
It should be there. I wash it. It's not cold, yeah? No. 10:31 pa lang. Ito ang gusto nilang kainin. Meron tayo ditong chicken breast tenders sweet chili. So, gawan ko sila ng wraps. Lutuin ko muna to. Air fry ko lang siya. Meron sa isang box na 7 pieces ang laman niya. Tama ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So, nag-ready na rin pala ako para mamaya kay Holly. Ready na tayo. And maaga rin ako alis kasi kuha ko ng fruits para sa baon ng mga bata mamaya. So, can you turn on your TV, please? Do you want chili sauce, Zachary?
Oh, chili sauce, yes. I'm not having chili sauce.
Oh, this is mayo.
I don't want tomatoes.
You don't like tomatoes, it's just lettuce.
Yep. Is it carrots? No, so...
I think...
Chewy. I'll just, like,
lettuce and
Is this it? Yeah,
sour
right
cream.
there.
No, that's a ricotta cheese. I don't have sour cream. So you can just have aioli and chili sauce.
Yeah.
See, Holly, what do you want, Holly? Ayaw
I'll
na.
just have cornflakes.
O, hinihintay niyo si daddy niya. Kumuha si daddy niya ng gatas para sa kanyang cornflakes. And baka patapos na rin yun si kuya.
Where is this?
I got it. Alas 11 na. Chili
Shake it,
sauce.
shake it, shake it. Yep. Cheese.
And then one on the side. Chicken.
Yeah, cheese sauce.
Ang pinag-iisipan ko kung mag-spaghetti ako or carbonara.
What is it? Spaghetti carbonara.
Maybe, yeah, I'm just gonna make carbonara because TJ and Holly had spaghetti last night. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Carbonara.
And may pizza pa ako dito. Pero si Holly, ayaw kasing kumain ng pizza.
I don't like pizza.
Si Kuya, for sure. Gusto. Maybe I'll make some for Kuya na. Or maybe later na yung pagdating niya. How did you go? You won?
Yeah.
Congrats, yeah. Oh, I have something here.
Oh, it's better.
Oh, it's that better.
Chicken pie.
Ah, chicken pie. Congrats.
Yeah.
How many holes? How many holes?
14 we played instead of 18.
Okay. So why only 14?
Because I won.
Okay. Siguro matas na yung lamang kaya hindi na tinapos na 18, 14 na lang. Congrats, Kuya.
Thank you.
So, ako na egg na may cottage cheese.
Yanni Rizla.
Yeah, congrats, yeah. Where's the milk on?
In the fridge.
Ah, already there? So do you want me to make you cornflakes?
Yes.
Oh, no. Sa'yo ng daddy na nalo si Kuya.
Angry boy, I tell you.
Why is it angry?
Cornflakes.
Oh, good question.
Could have got
Nag-
struck, mate.
Nag-ano pa, habang naglalaro sila
You
Kuya,
want to
may,
say congratulations?
may kidlat.
Hey, what's that?
I have more, Darhan.
Oh, okay.
You can't eat. Dami ko pa naman inubos ko yung isang box. Isa lang kumain. I'm just gonna make carbonara pan instead of spaghetti.
What?
Because she had spaghetti
That's enough,
last
that's
night.
enough, that's enough. And I want to let it to soften.
Oh.
So ako yung aking brunch is, anong oras ka? 11:19. Ricotta egg. Okay, Holly.
I want the sugar.
Yes, I did.
I want it to let it soften up a little bit.
So yung mag-soft muna ito ng konti.
I don't like it.
So siguro mga 2 eggs lang. Low fat yung kinuha ko. Low fat. 5-star kaya, ayan.
Wait, Dad,
Nakalagay
this
dito,
one.
5-star.
Yeah.
5 stars.
But it says 26.
Lagay tayo ng parsley din. Pwede ko rin siya lagyan ng cheese, pero siguro skip ko na lang yung cheese.
I know why I like even better.
Nagpainit na ako ng oil.
Always sit about.
Kain. Si Holly, kinuha niya na yung leggings. Mamaya pa naman kayo alis.
What do you want off? Actually? Yeah. Yeah, so Socks and shoes.
Excited siya.
Yes. Because it's my first training.
Kunting salt yung linagay ko. Tapos pepper. Okay na siya. Tapos na tayong kumain. And, alala niyo yung binili kong crackers. Yung maliliit. Nakaapat ako guys. Ang sarap nito. Light lang yung taste niya. May pagka-cheese. Basta very light. Hindi siya salty. Masarap siya. So, nakaapat ako. And, di ba sabi ko, instead of spaghetti, magka-carbonara. Di ba yun sabi ko sa inyo for lunch? But, nag-change na lahat. Nag-change na. Kasi, si Jan, hindi siya makachew. Gusto niyang kainin yung tira naming ito. Gusto niyang kumain. Kaso daw, sakit talaga ng yung tainga niya pa nag-chew. So, sabi ko, mag-pumpkin soup na lang ako. Sabi niya, good. Tapos, nilabas niya na yung bread sa freezer. So, ito na lang yung dinner namin. Tapos, meron pang chicken dyan, yung chicken tenders. Kung gusto ng mga bata ng wraps, pwede naman. Pero, for sure, magugustuhan din nila. So, ito na lang yung aming dinner. So, i-roast ko na to. So, simple lang to. I-roast ko lang yung pumpkin. Nakatingin lang sa screen. Pumpkin, onions, garlic. Tapos, i-drizzle natin siyang konting avocado oil. Avocado oil and some spices. So, gawin ko na to kasi aalis tayo. I-roast ko lang. Wait ko na yung oven. Matigas. Si Kuya nanonood siya ng fishing. Alright. Oh, sibuyas. Pinaik na naman tayo. So, yung garlic, babalot ko siya sa wax paper or baking paper. Ayan natin siyang oil. Gusto natin siya ng avocado oil. Wala akong bell pepper eh. Dapat may bell pepper dito. Pero wala tayo. Okay na yan. Now, we're gonna put garlic powder. I-drizzle nyo lang. Budburan nyo lang siya. Onion powder. Bago to. Kailangan natin siyang buksan. Paprika. Tinanggal ko kasi yung niya, yung takip na parang may butas-butas. Hindi ko na naibalik na itapon ko ata. Paprika, thyme, and then i-oven natin, i-roast natin siya sa oven. So, yun lang, di ba ang dali? Okay, ready to bake. Ali si Kuya. Where are you going, yeah?
Fishing.
Magfi-fishing siya, guys.
In a rowboat.
In a row your boat?
Like a little dinghy, but no,
With-
I thought it's going to row out a little bit off the beach.
With who?
Brock.
Just the two of them? They're gonna row while fishing? While fishing, huh?
You got a life jacket?
Yeah, you have to have your life jacket,
Grab
Kuya.
one.
Grab one. Tumawag kasi.
Does Brock have one?
He would have.
Yeah.
If he's not wearing his, I'm not wearing mine.
No, you have to wear. That's right.
Brock's not.
Just. And you, why you have your dad's phone?
Because she's a good girl.
Yeah, she's a good girl. She's been practicing her solo before we go. Solo. Kailangan niyang mag-practice. Okay. And ako, habang nagro-roast, nag-edit din tayo. Huh?
Fresh.
I know, you're fresh. You're not going fishing?
No.
Hindi siya mahilig mag-fish. Si Kuya talaga yung hobby ni Kuya, yung mga relax, golf, fishing. Ito naman yung mga rides. Tayo ko na pala to. Itong ating oven kasi alis na kami ni Holly. Ayan na yung itsura niya. Mamaya ko pa siya tatapusin. Kasi punta na tayo ng town. Mag-calls muna kami bago ko siya i-drop sa kanyang dance. Kasi ano pa lang naman. 2:20. 3:30 yung dance niya. And ayan na yung nabili natin na crop top. Ayan. And nag-practice siya sa bahay bago kayo umalis. Kasi kailangan niya mag-practice para hindi siya mapagalitan ng teacher niya na hindi siya nag-practice. Kasi kailangan niya mag-practice sa bahay. Okay, come on, get the small cart na. Okay. Oops, I need celery. Pa tayo ng bok choy. Yes, please. Thank you. Pa tayong peaches. Ito yung white. Wala silang yung yellow peach. There's no yellow? Yellow. Kunti na lang yung yellow.
That's the white.
Yeah, we're getting yellow one. Cucumber. Ang lambot. Ito yung mushroom. We still have carrots there. Eggplant. Baba, bag please. Here, Baba. Capsicum. Thank you. Onions. Here, baby. Okay. Ito yung bananas.
Dairy department, stock collection services, cream, dairy.
Here. Okay.
What's going up?
I think it's on the other side. Cabbage. Ang laki naman itong cabbage. This is huge. Pala, I need tofu. This is cheese area. I still have cheese. Feta cheese. Nasaan yung feta cheese? Ah, ito. Feta cheese. Tofu. Kung saan yung silky, organic tofu. Patay nito. And yung silky. Ito yung soft. Meron siyang isa. Kasi pwedeng humingi ng isa. Or kung ilan ang kids yung kasama, pwedeng kumain ng fruits. So, ito yung smiley fruits. Papatayin na. Gypsy ham. Ito yung gypsy ham. Okay, come on ba? We're gonna get chicken breast. That's all. Thank you. You too. Okay, ayan yung chicken breast. Come on, Baba. Kanilang. Ito. Gusto nila to. Cream. Para sa aking mushroom soup. Square crumpets or square? Round or square?
Square.
Square. Okay, crumpets. Chicken.
With mother and stuff.
Yeah. This one. Gusto ko kasi yung sunog. Ito masunog to. Okay. Get snacks, packet, chips. What do you want? Popcorn. I can put that in the Ziploc. Green waves. There's no packets, I think. Do we have packets? Do they have packets before?
I don't think they did.
Okay, just get that one. Nakapila na dun si Holly. Wala ako ng spinach. Malaking spinach at a jumbo. Yeah. Vegeta. Nasaan yung Vegeta na dito? And I need this vegetable. Yung low sodium lang. Ito, salt reduced. Carbonara pala. Carbonara pasta. Excuse me. Thank you. Ito, carbonara. Thank you. Ito yung Vegeta. Wala silang malaki. May malaki nito eh. You alright, Papa? Hi, good. Thank you.
There we go.
Thank you.
Enjoy your day.
You too. Good night. We are done here. Mabilisan lang tayo kasi may ano si Holly, may dance. Dito na kami kung saan siya magda-dance lesson. Pinapanood niya yung ano ba, yung solo. Yan kasi yung
This is what I'm trying.
yang
I can't do.
yan kasi yung sasayawin niya din na solo. So, which one?
I can't do
Ariel. Yun ang hindi niya pa kaya. And parang basag kasi parang film lang siya sa phone during the competition. Pero estudyante din siya dito sa ano, kung saan si Holly. Kung saan si Holly nagda-dance. Dadalhin ko yung isang bag kung nasaan yung ating mga was loud. Nasaan yung ating mga cold meat and yung ibang veggies and cream. Dadalhin ko kasi mainit. Yung iba, yung mga snacks nila, okay lang dun sa likod. Come on, Mama. Yung dala natin. Did I lock the car? I think I did. Is the mirror fold? Kasi pag fold yung mirrors, ibig sabihin nalock ko siya. Wala pang tao. Sarado pa yung kanilang store. Sa taas tayo.
It's not packed this time.
Huh?
But it's not packed this time, but when it's
Later. Yeah, after school. Like 3:30. 4. Practice siya kung paano mag-aerial. Yun kasi hindi niya pa kayang gawin. So, meron kaming pinapanood na tutorial. Para akong The Flash, guys. Tapos na siya sa dancing. Dito naman kami sa kanyang netball. Netball training. Pero tapos lang ng training niya. 5:22 na. Luluto pa tayo. God, ang lakas ng ulan. I can't see.
Mommy, I didn't never miss.
Yeah, you just finished. Perfect. Oh no.
Can you see?
Not really. It's so dark. So we have to slow down. It's so foggy. to slow down. Bahay na pala kami. Sobrang lakas ng ulan. Ngayon, yung mga bata, yung boys, for sure, basang-basa sila. So, gawin ko na yung...
wet, really wet.
Gawin ko na yung pumpkin.
Pumpkin soup.
Pumpkin soup, okay.
Mommy, can I play a little bit?
Play. No, play. No,
TV?
play. No, TV. So, ito yung ating roasted pumpkins and onions and garlic. Ilalagay ko sila dito. Pwede naman gumamit ng blender tapos ilagay ito doon sa blender. Itong vegetable stock or chicken. Chicken, meron akong beef, may chicken stock and may vegetable din tayo. Nasaan na yun? Meron akong kinuha. Kinuha kong isa, tatlo to eh. But anyway, yeah, pwede siyang i-blender. Pero ako, dito ko siya sa pan ilalagay. So, kakayurin lang natin siya. Tanggalin yung skin. Ilalagay ko siya dito. Ang bango. Ito, masarap na to guys. Kahit ganito. Winner na. Harap. Dito na yung boys. Nagugas lang sila ng paa. Basang-basa sila. Nalagay ko na yung ano, sibuyas tsaka yung pumpkins. Ito yung roasted garlic. Hanggang ko makikita niya.
Okay. How'd you go, Holly? How'd you go?
Okay, she done well.
You're hungry.
Nearly done?
Not yet, yeah.
What?
Well, I went to Holly's,
How long to go?
not long. It's
Wait, what are we having?
pumpkin soup.
I thought we were having carbonara.
I changed my mind tomorrow.
Oh my god. I want carbonara. What is
Tomorrow.
it? What's on top?
Roasted garlic and onions.
Zach won't have it then.
Is that what? You put that in there?
Yes.
Onions?
Yes.
Since when?
When I make like this, I always do this.
Holly, how'd you go, Bob?
It's really good.
I was watching her. She's better
It's
than
really
Where are
good.
you watching?
It's really good. Even the other mother said Holly's doing well. For first.
Can she show it on that?
No, I have been catching the ball and doing that sort of stuff. That's all I do.
I didn't.
Ilalagay ko to doon sa induction. Tapos ito yung gagamitin ko para maging puree yung ating pumpkin. So, isasaksak ko pa to. So, yeah. Yun lang. Salt and pepper. Natin siya nitong machine na to. Is that your... So, yan.
Put a thing on the front.
Yeah, let's just go for the
Number. Yeah.
now.
Yeah, I'll give it a wash. Yeah.
Yan yung kanyang pang-game. After natin i-puree, i-on na natin yung ating stove.
So it must be something outside of everything.
Add din pala ako ng thick cream. And maglalagay ako ng konting cumin. Naglagay ako ng konting salt and pepper din.
Save that one.
Tinikman na ni Kuya. Si Sak naliligo. Si Kuya tapos nang malinis na to. Kain na raw si Kuya. Si Kuya.
Yeah.
Yan na yung kay Kuya. What do you want, yeah? Bread?
Spoon.
Wooden spoon.
I'll use that one then, Mum.
It's up to you if you want wooden spoon or not.
I'll use that.
Yeah, okay.
Oh! Quick, put six.
What did you say, yeah?
I've asked for this for like 3 years.
3 years? What do you mean 3 years? Gusto ko kasi yung pumpkin. Hindi naman winter. Are you ready to eat?
Dad, it's bad. It's not good.
Yeah.
Are you ready? It's bad, yeah? Huh? What?
I'm saying today.
What do you have pizza with, mate?
Yeah.
Better.
Dapat bread, kuya.
Oh, bread.
Is it good, yeah, or what?
Yeah.
Si Holly, ayan. Kay John, and eto kay Sak, and yung bread nila, eto. So, yun na yung vlog. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog.
Because I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.